Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you all this beautiful high bun you can do on your natural hair using clip-ins. This style was so easy and quick to do. Literally took under 5 minutes to do. So if you want to see how I did that, then please stay tuned. Starting off with stretched out hair, you want to put your hair into a high bun, guys. I mean, this style is a high bun, so all you gotta do is put your hair up in a high bun, as high as you want. It is all up to you. I'm not using gel today, so to keep the hair really neat and in place all day long, I used my Got To Be Free spray, sprayed that on my hair and kept that on really well. I also used another elastic bun to make sure that the bun is nice and secured. After creating your bun, you want to go ahead and add in your extensions. You want to add in as much or as little as you want, and when you're happy with it, you just want to go ahead and play around with the hair, make it look like a bun, just make it look like a circle or whatever, hide the tracks and all that good stuff. I wanted to create like a messy bun type look, so I decided to leave some strands of hair hanging down. It just looks really cute and I like it. Now I wanted to create this baby hair illusion, like I have some curly hairs hanging down my face, so I'm using some curly hairs from the clip-ins. I just cut it off. I took a little piece and decided to just stick it on, guys. It's so simple. Just use your Got To Be Free spray and just spray it on. And yeah, it's so easy and quick to do, guys. I think I saw this on TikTok and I really liked it and I just wanted to recreate it. And there you go, that's how it is looking after doing all that good stuff using no gel. I think I really like it, guys. It looks really cute. Tell me what y'all think in the comments down below. And guys, if you're new on this channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. And guys, don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss any more uploads. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.